So, ang problem natin ay x is equal to a sine wt plus b. Ang constants natin dito is a at c. Pero hindi itong w kasi parameter siya. Nasa condition na hindi siya pwedeng i-eliminate. Kaya, first, i-differentiate natin siya two times kasi dalawa yung constant. So, d over dt x equal to d over dt a sine wt plus b. Magiging dx over dt equal to a d over dt sine u, which is wt plus b, times d over dt u. So, u is equal to wt plus b. du is equal to w kasi itong b constant siya, kaya magiging 0 na lang. So, dx over dt is equal to a cosine u times w. dx over dt is equal to a w cosine, balik natin yung u, wt plus b. Isa natin. So, yan yung dx over dt. Next, erase lang natin to. Ano pa natin, i-differentiate ng isa pang beses. So, d over dt times dx over dt equal to d over dt a w cosine wt plus b. So, magiging ng d squared x over dt squared equal to a d over dt. W is a constant, so isama na natin siya sa sa a. Sunod, d over dt cosine wt plus b. So, parehas lang ng ginawa kanina, magiging d squared x over dt squared equal to aw d over dt cosine u times d over dt u. So, ano ang derivative ng cosine u? Negative sine u. So, aw negative times negative sine u times w, which is parehas lang naman nung kanina. So, d squared x over dt squared. Yan. Simply, i-substitute natin yung u. So, magiging d squared x over dt squared equal to a w, yung negative sign. Ito, lipat na natin dito. So, magiging sine u is wt plus b. Tapos, may isa pa tayong w, d squared na itong isang w. Yan, mapapansin natin na pwede natin itong i-rearrange para may mapalitan tayo. So, d squared x over dt squared is equal to negative w squared a sine wt plus b. Makikita natin na itong part na to, same lang siya sa x. Equate lang siya sa x. So, palitan na natin. Magiging ng d squared x over dt squared is equal to negative w squared x. Tapos, ilipat lang natin lahat sa left side. Okay, dito ko na ilagay. Kasi wala ng space. Dito ko na lang ilagay yung sagot. Magiging d squared x over dt squared plus w squared x is equal to 0. Tapos yun na ang final answer natin. So, mapapansin natin na na-eliminate yung a plus b, which are the constants. Na-eliminate silang dalawa. And nag-remain yung w na parameter na sinabi na not to be eliminated. Kaya yan na yung final answer natin.